Okay, the 3 don'ts of ISAs. 1. Don't ignore stocks and shares. Cash ISAs still remain the most popular, but it's important to consider the stock market for long-term savings. Shares have been shown to deliver much better returns over the long term, where the value of cash would have eroded from inflation over time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A common mistake is having too much of your portfolio exposed to one asset class or one sector. To make sure a portfolio is spread across asset classes, it could contain a blend of equities, bonds, cash, and property to benefit from the different investment cycles. And 3, don't leave it to the last minute. It's worth giving careful thought to how you want to allocate funds within an ISA throughout that year. Consider your reasons for investing, the average annual return you're seeking, your time horizon, and the amount of risk you're prepared to take. If you feel you don't have time to make informed decisions before the deadline, then consider seeking advice from a professional to help you maximize your ISA potential.